nouns and the pronouns. Introduction to these two terms. What type of nouns are there and what type of pronouns are there? So let me ask you a question. ጥያቄ ልጠይቃችሁ. The phone you are holding, የያዛችሁት ስልክ, the chair you are sitting on, የተቀመጣችሁበት ወንበር, the city you are living in, የምትኖሩበት ከተማ, do they have names? ስም አላቸውን? In English, these names are known as or called nouns. ስም ይባላሉ ማለት ነው። እነሱ ስም ይባላሉ ማለት ነው። If we don't want to repeat the same noun again and again, መደጋገም ባንፈልግ ማለት ነው, that is where pronouns come in. እነዛ ስሞች መደጋገም ስለማንፈልጋቸው በዚህ ጊዜ ፕሮናውን ወይም የስም ተኪ ቃላት ይረዱናል።